Ever wondered how businesses reduce errors, improve operations, and increase profits all at the same time? Meet Six Sigma, a business strategy that's been revolutionizing industries for decades. It's not some arcane business jargon, but a practical approach that has its roots in statistical analysis. In the bustling world of business where every second counts, Six Sigma stands as a beacon of efficiency and quality. Its primary aim? To reduce process variability, eliminate defects, and ensure consistent output. Imagine a world where every product you purchase is faultless, every service you avail is flawless. That's the world Six Sigma strives to create. Six Sigma isn't just about stamping out defects though. It's also about reducing waste and streamlining processes. It's a methodology that's been embraced by giants like Motorola and General Electric, and for good reason. It's a proven path to operational excellence. The key to this enigma lies in the methodology of Six Sigma. Six Sigma might sound like a complex concept, but in reality, it's as simple as DMAIC. Let's take a moment to unpack this acronym. DMAIC stands for Define, Measure, Analyze, Improve, and Control. This five-step process is the core of Six Sigma, and it's designed to systematically identify and resolve problems. First up, we have Define. This is where we identify the problem. What's the issue that needs addressing? It's about being clear and specific. We're not saying we need to improve sales. Instead, we're saying we need to increase sales of our blue widgets in the Western region by 15% in the next quarter. See the difference? That's defining. Next, we measure. This is where we collect data related to the problem. How many blue widgets are we selling now? What are our sales trends? By measuring, we establish a baseline that helps us understand the current situation and later to gauge the success of our improvements. Then we analyze. This is where we dig into our data and look for causes of the problem. Why are our sales low? Is it pricing, marketing, distribution, or something else? Analysis helps us identify what's driving our problem. Moving on, we have improve. This is where we develop solutions to the problems we've identified. We brainstorm, we innovate, and we test. We might decide to adjust pricing, ramp up marketing, or streamline distribution. Whatever the strategies, the goal is to improve the situation we defined earlier. Finally, we control. This is where we make sure our improvements stick. We monitor our changes, we measure again, and we adjust as necessary. Control is all about maintaining the gains we've made. In essence, DMAIC is a roadmap. It's a step-by-step guide to problem solving. It's a way to turn the nebulous task of improving business into a clear, manageable, and systematic process. So, with DMAIC, Six Sigma turns the complex world of business problem solving into a manageable and systematic process. Now you know what Six Sigma is, but why should you care? Well, Six Sigma is not just a concept. It's a transformative force that has the power to revolutionize businesses. Imagine a world where every product you purchase is of the highest quality. That's the world Six Sigma strives for. By focusing on reducing defects and improving quality, Six Sigma helps businesses save money and increase their bottom line, but it doesn't stop there. Six Sigma also enhances customer satisfaction. How? By delivering products and services that meet and often exceed customer expectations. The result? Happy customers who keep coming back. Moreover, Six Sigma provides a competitive edge. In a market saturated with businesses vying for the top spot, those utilizing Six Sigma methodologies often come out on top. They're the businesses that thrive. They're the businesses that lead. With such profound impacts, Six Sigma becomes an indispensable tool for any business. So, let's wrap up our Six Sigma journey. We've embarked on a fascinating exploration of Six Sigma, a set of management techniques intended to improve business processes by greatly reducing the probability of error. Its core is the DMAIC process, standing for Define, Measure, Analyze, Improve, and Control. This systematic approach allows us to understand and control our processes, increasing efficiency and reducing waste. We've also taken a deep dive into how Six Sigma impacts businesses. It's not just about eliminating errors. It's about fostering a culture of continuous improvement, driving efficiency, and ultimately enhancing customer satisfaction. From conglomerates to small enterprises, Six Sigma has proven to be a game changer, transforming the way businesses function and thrive in a competitive landscape. It's a relentless pursuit of perfection, a journey rather than a destination. Remember, Six Sigma isn't just a methodology, it's a mindset that strives for perfection in every process.